In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get the order code in McDonald's app. Let's get started. Launch a McDonald's app or visit the official website of McDonald's. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Next, tap order or choose how would you like to receive your food, such as drive-thru, front counter, curbside pickup, or Mac delivery, depending on what's available in your area. Browse the menu and add the items you want to your cart. When you are finished, review your order and proceed to checkout. Complete your payment if required, then place your order. After your order has been successfully placed, the app will display your order code or pickup code on the confirmation screen. You will also be able to find it by opening the orders or other status section in the app while your order is active. When you arrive at the restaurant, provide the order code to crew member, enter it at a self-service kiosk if prompted, or tell it to the drive-thru staff. If you're using curbside pickup, follow the instructions in the app and enter your parking spot number if requested. If you cannot find your order code, make sure your order was successfully submitted. You can also check your confirmation email or the audit section in the app. If the code still does not appear, contact the restaurant or McDonald's customer support for assistance. And that's it. This is how you can easily get and use your order code in McDonald's app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.